Hotfix Steam error content still encrypted. So if you want to fix your Steam error content still encrypted, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser. So let me tell you that this happens because game files are corrupted or Steam permissions are blocked. Sometimes small glitches or hidden conflicts stop Steam from decrypting content properly. Many YouTube social media solutions show long cache or clears, risky file deletions, or confusing reinstall steps that take forever and often fail. But I have a trick. This trick repairs corrupted game files, refreshes Steam cache, and ensures proper disk permissions. The content describes correctly. You do not need advanced skills or extra software. So the first thing is you need to clear Steam download cache. So open up your Steam and click on Steam on the top left corner and go with settings and then select downloads from the left hand menu. Then scroll down and click on Clear Cache or Clear Download Cache and confirm and wait for the Steam to restart. Or the second solution is verify integrity of game files. If the issue is isolated to a specific game, its installation files may be corrupted or partially missing. So go with your library on your Steam and then right click on the problematic game and select Properties and click on Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and automatically repair any bad files, then attempt to launch the game. Or you can just simply opt out of the Steam beta. You can go with Steam, then settings, and then interface, and then click on client beta participation and change it to no beta chosen. Then restart your Steam and try updating the game again. Or you can close Steam completely and relaunch as an administrator. Make sure Steam is not running in the background. You need to right click on your Windows taskbar and then you'll find the Task Manager option. Click on Task Manager. And here, if you find your Steam, you just need to simply right click on it and then go with End Task. After that, search for Steam in your Windows search bar and then right click on it and select Run as Administrator. With these, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.